Well, this is John with Going Mobile. We are working on an X15. We're going to replace the air compressor there. Looks like power steering pump's already been replaced on this unit. As you can tell, it is a different color, not painted. But we're going to get the air compressor off of this. I've looked around online. I did not see anyone doing these, so I figured this would be a good chance for me to show everybody what it takes to do one of these. As you can tell, we're going to start off with clearing some room out of the way. We're going to try to get that up out of the way as best we can, so we can get the hose out. We'll obviously get the intake out of there. Right here, we want to do this, get that up and out, and then start on the lines. This will be the first one I've ever done, so there might be some mistakes made. Now, as you can tell, I got the engine rotated over like you would with the old ISXs to where it says insert pin, and now everything's timed. So now I'll start removing the pumps. I got the AC pump out of, or I shouldn't say AC, got the power steering reservoir loose so I can pull it back. Gives me a chance to look up inside there. Now it's just undo lines, and yeah, we'll see what it does. Got the power steering pump out of there, and it's such a tight quarter, I just decided to take it off and lay it down over here. Now, as you can see right down there, I removed the air pump support bracket. I got the upper nut out. I believe this nut coming through right here goes to the air pump itself through the housing and sandwiches it together, because it is no threads down on that end, and it's a threaded style on the pump. But then once we get that off, we have to figure out how we're going to slide it out. So like I was saying, once you hammer the this bracket right here forward, gives you plenty of room to get down inside there, get that out, and the bolt goes through. Easiest one done yet. Now you can see the air compressor is back in there. Roughly takes about 3 to 3.5 hours to pull it out, remove it. I had some other items. I had debris I had to flush out of the hot tube. One of the reasons it went was it was puking oil through, so I had to clean the system out. Apologize about my voice, but I'm a little under the weather. Now I just got to top off the coolant, make sure there's no leaks, and there you guys go. X15. That's how you guys do it.